So Scary Chef Sherry is back, and today we've got a Korean special. Okay, so we're doing a gochujang like stir-fried chicken and gochujang fried rice. These are both things that I've started making a lot after coming back from Korea. I do eat a lot of this stir-fried chicken and I order it from a lot of restaurants. So I'm going to try and like show you guys how I do it. This is not authentic Korean food. It's Korean inspired. So yeah, don't come at me if you're Korean or if you feel like this is not a right recipe. But yeah, this is just inspired and it's yummy and it's like home cooked. So let's go. Pretty yummy. Okay, so the ingredients are fairly basic. What I'm going to do is with the rice, I'm going to keep it vegetarian, but I'm also going to make like an omelette and cut it up in case I want to have it on the side. So you can either have it as egg fried rice or keep it vegetarian or add your meat, bacon, whatever you want to. So we've got some rice, preferably older rice. You don't want to like use fresh rice. Drier rice is better, which has been in the fridge overnight. Look at me talking like a pro chef right now. I've already like cut some spring onion up and some garlic. We've got our gochujang paste, which is obviously a must for everything. We've got sesame seeds or til, what we call white til. You can use the toasted ones or the plain ones, whatever, because we're anyways going to like fry them. Some soy sauce, some oil. Now I've just got mustard oil here because that's what we use here. But if you have sesame oil, that's even better. I don't have it right now, so we're just using some mustard oil, some chicken for the stir-fried chicken, and some egg obviously for the fried rice. So, are you ready? Let's go! So guys, we're starting with just, frying off the egg, like making like a regular omelette. I've already fetoed it. And I know there's a little extra oil, but we can use that for our chicken, so don't worry. Also, these cool stainless steel bartans are something Weber has ordered from somewhere, which are really nice. Like the handle doesn't get garam and like all this, and you can just easily work it, which is amazing. So we're just going to fry off the egg, as I said, and put it off. I'm going to do the rice last because it's really fast and it doesn't really need time. So maybe once we start the chicken, we can start the rice as well. But yeah, just making a regular anda, nothing fancy or like cool or whatever. Also, we're gonna have to cut this up eventually. So if you want, you can even just do it either like I just make the pieces like roughly because I don't really particularly care. And also, as you know, I'm a slaughterer of eggs, so I like to slaughter them like this. Okay, so that's it. We're just going to pull these off and then we're just going to put them on the side for now because we're going to use them right at the end. So now a lot of people put salt and stuff. I don't usually put salt because I'm just putting a little bit of soy sauce in the chicken already. So it's already quite salty. So we don't really want to add a lot of salt. And then we're just going to fry this off and then work with the rest. Okay. So I like to get the chicken a little brown before I actually add like the gochujang and the rest, because then you can actually see that the chicken is fried and it's like crunchy and stuff like that. And I also order chicken cubes specifically for this. So as you can see, it's just boneless chunks of chicken cut up in cubes, which is really easy to do if you're just stir frying it like this, and it's easy to eat and it looks also like nicer when you're just doing a stir fry. So you can see my chicken is looking nice and brown now, and this is the time where we want to add some of the sesame seeds just to get them nice and toasty. So I'm going to go with like 1 big spoonful and maybe 2. Actually, I'm going to do 2, yeah, because I really like the flavor of sesame seeds in my food. And then we're going to do a little more soy sauce and the gochujang as well. So you just want to mix it all nicely. And look at this beautiful gochujang. How amazing does that look? So again, this you've got to kind of figure out, you know, your own taste buds. Keep tasting it and seeing how much you want, whether you feel it's too spicy, if you want a little more sweetness, you can even add like some sugar. I like mine spicy and I don't really add anything to it. So This is how I do it. And a little bit of a drizzle with the soy sauce. That's it. That looks so good and smells so good. And I'm just putting in some water a little bit so that we get all this yummy burnt part, because that tastes really, really good. Like, I know you're thinking, oh my god, it's all stuck to the pan, but that is really yummy and it becomes nice and sticky and tasty. So we're just gonna add a little bit of water so it coats everything, and yeah, that's it. And then we just leave it to cook for a couple of minutes. Once it becomes slightly thicker like this, you can actually just add some spring onion to the top. So yeah, you don't want to add this too soon because it's not going to be crunchy and fresh. And I'm leaving it a little saucy because it's still going to sit for a few minutes while my rice is being made. But yeah, this is what my final gochujang chicken is looking like, and it's looking pretty yummy. What do you think? Okay, so for the rice, we're going to go really quickly. We're going to start with a little bit of oil, not a lot. And we just want to kind of make sure we coat the kadhai or your wok. I don't have my wok here, so I'm just using a kadhai. And I'm starting with the garlic. So we're going to just first quickly add some garlic. And then we're quickly just going to add in all this rice. So as I said, like older rice that's a day old, 2 days old, that works really well if it's been in the fridge overnight, because it tends to be drier and it's like easier when you're frying it, and it works better for fried rice. So what we're gonna do is I'm actually just going to make my gochujang a little thinner. So we're going to put in some gochujang because otherwise it's going to become very difficult to kind of gauge with the rice, and it's all going to get, you know, chip-coed. So we're taking, I would say, 3 heaped spoons and a little bit of soy sauce also. So maybe I would say 2 spoons-ish worth of soy sauce. And we just want to make it a little bit of a thinner paste like this so that it's easier and mixes better with the, you know, the rice. And if you're not using soy sauce, you can also use a little bit of water. That works too. Just to make it thinner so that you get all the rice, because otherwise it's like a clump. So we're just going to mix this into the rice nicely. So basically you want to try and coat all the rice and not have like white rice bits. Of course, that will happen in between because it's not as easy. But it's actually pretty like decent if you take like a nice chunk of gochujang, if you're not like worried about it being too spicy. Okay, and then last but not the least, we're just going to add our spring onion. Of course, you can add carrots, you can add lots of stuff. I've kept the egg, as I said, as an optional to add on top if I want to. But if you want to keep it veg, then just spring onion and garlic is also good. People add carrots, people add all kinds of stuff, just like you do to, you know, fried rice. And just mix it in, and yeah, it's pretty yummy. So this is like a really easy 2-minute meal you can make with like leftover rice. That's like yummier and spicier. I know I've done kimchi fried rice in the past. If you haven't seen that, you can watch that here. But obviously gochujang is more accessible and easier to get. Kimchi you have to actually have like either homemade kimchi or someone who makes it and stuff like that. But this is pretty easy to get, and yeah, it's done. Guys, so my chicken is looking good. My fried rice is yummy. Everything looks amazing. I feel like this is a great meal. You can have either of these like as separates, or you can have them together as well. Everything is delicious. If you try this, make sure you would post this and tag me, or also let me know in the comments how it was. I love this. Smells divine. Let's dig in. So guys, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and comment below if you want me to do more scary chef sherry videos. I don't cook that much these days, but if you want me to, I will. See you guys. Bye.